In this video, you'll learn all about the Carnival Conquest. I'll let you know about all the amazing food you can find on board. Then I'll dive into the amazing bars. After that, I'll give you a sampling of some of the activities you won't want to miss. And I'll share a couple tips to help you make your Carnival Conquest cruise even better. I'll also tell you how you can get your Carnival Conquest ship guide digital download. You'll find that linked in the description below. Now let's talk about the food. Starting with Blue Iguana Cantina, a complimentary option where you can get a burrito, a taco, made to order. They even make the flour tortillas right there on the ship. They'll fill it with ingredients you want, and you can enjoy it. It's a great option. Another great option that's complimentary, just around the corner, is Guy's Burger Joint. The classic spot you may have already heard of, but if you haven't tried it, you don't know what you're missing. Great burgers, a lot of great options on the menu, and you can go to the toppings bar and add your own toppings. And they've got great fries. Check out Guy's Burger Joint. If you're looking for something a little special for dinner, you got to check out the steakhouse, the Point Steakhouse. It's going to cost you a little extra, but I think you'll find it's worth it. We have yet to be disappointed with the Carnival Steakhouse, and their ribeyes are amazing. Another option that costs you just a little extra, for a lunch or a snack, go to the Seafood Shack. The back of Deck 9, the Seafood Shack is a great place to go and get some lobster rolls, get some peel and eat shrimp. I really enjoy the buffalo shrimp. Really good stuff. If you're taking the whole family along, consider the green eggs and ham breakfast. It costs just a little bit extra, but it's a chance to hang out with a cat in the hat and find out if you like green eggs and ham. One last food option I need to mention, and there's others, but I know a lot of people love the pizza on board the ship. Pizza, round the clock at Pizza Pirate. Made to order. For a small extra charge, you can even have it delivered. Now, if you enjoy this sort of content and would like to hear more of this sort of thing, be sure to give us a thumbs up by liking down below. Now let's talk about the bars. A lot of great bars on the ship. Got to start with the Alchemy Bar. The Alchemy Bar is a great new concept from Carnival, and the Carnival Conquest has it. They've got these mixologists that will make you up these awesome craft cocktails. Pick a cocktail from their special menu of very creative craft cocktails, or tell them what you like, and they'll make a craft cocktail just to your liking. Another option, if you want to enjoy being outside by the pool, is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. A great spot to go and get a margarita or have a nice beer, hang out, enjoy the weather at sea. There's also another poolside bar just across the other side of the deck. Go to the Red Frog Rum Bar. Go there and get yourself a nice rum drink. Maybe get a souvenir glass. A lot of fun. Red Frog Rum Bar. Another option I really enjoy is the Sky Box Sports Bar. Great place to go and watch the games, have a few beers, and enjoy being at sea while not missing out on your favorite team's game. One more bar I've got to mention is the Blues Piano Bar. It's a great spot to go later in the day, after a show, after dinner. You just want to wind down and enjoy a nice drink, listen to music, or sing along. A lot of fan favorites from the Blues Piano Bar entertainer. Great spot to hang out. Now let's talk about the activities. Well, speaking of nightlife, there's some great entertainment on board. Carnival Conquest has playlist productions in the main theater. A lot of great shows. If you're interested in comedy, you want to laugh, go to Punchliner Comedy Club. The earlier show is more family friendly. Their later show, that's going to be a little edgier, so just be aware of that. If you're looking for something relaxing during the day, head to the Serenity Retreat, an outdoor area where the adults, it is adults only, adults can relax and enjoy being out at sea. If you're looking for something a little more exciting, head over to the Twister Water Slide. Fly down the water slide, while you're on a cruise ship. What fun. If you feel like taking your chance at Lady Luck, go to the Tahiti Casino. Carnival Conquest Casino. Take your chance. Maybe you'll come back a big winner. Another type of game you can play is, well, you'll find all kinds of them at the video arcade. Head to the video arcade and play all the exciting games they have on board. If you're looking for a little treat during the day, maybe treat somebody else you're sailing with, head to Cherry on Top. Carnival's fun candy and sweet shop. You'll find it on board Carnival Conquest on Deck 5. We hope you enjoy this sort of information, and we're going to give you a couple tips. But first, I'll ask you to subscribe if you haven't done so already. It doesn't cost anything. It's just a way to follow us. Now, let me tell you a couple tips. One tip is, again, if you're bringing the family along, especially younger kids, they might really enjoy the Build-A-Bear workshop at sea. That's right. Carnival Conquest brings Build-A-Bear on board the ship, and you can customize your own bear to take home as a souvenir. What fun. Another tip I gotta mention, I know I already mentioned Guy's Burger Joint, but I gotta tell you, don't miss out on Guy's Burger Joint. I'm not a big burger fan. I rarely have them back home, but when I'm on a Carnival cruise, I gotta go to Guy's Burger Joint. They just have it down. I recommend the Ringer. One more tip, be sure to download the Carnival Conquest Ship Guide digital download. You'll find it linked in the description below. It tells you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're throwing in a bonus, the Carnival Conquest Bar Crawl Guide. You can use this guide to plan a bar crawl with your buddies. You can even play it as a game. It's set up as a tic-tac-toe board. You can play tic-tac-toe while you're enjoying the bars. Drink responsibly, of course, and let us know what you thought of your Carnival Conquest cruise. We'd love to hear about it. Also, be sure to join us on Mondays at 8 o'clock Eastern Time when we go live. Join us on YouTube Live. And last but not least, we want to thank you for watching.